Hey guys, I'm at Rising Sunday Car Meet here on the west side of Bangkok. It's at the Realm Cafe. It's a cafe slash restaurant. Yeah, really nice spot, so you can see it back there. And this event is running this Sunday. It's from 8:30 to 11 a.m. And one of the main reasons is because it gets quite hot here. So it's great to be able to get here early and meet up with the car people, chat with them, and while it's still a bit cool out. So you get a good look at some of the cars here. I'll walk around a bit and I'll show you some of the cars that are at the event today. Let's check it out. One thing I really like about Thailand car meets is the variety of cars that you see. You'll see JDM cars, German cars, American cars, really cool variety. You'll see right-hand drive, left-hand drive, all different years. It's great to see everybody with all these different tastes and interests all in one spot. I always admire how clean all of these cars are. They must really spend a lot of time keeping these things immaculate. A lot of these cars I've never seen before. Some of them seem like they're quite rare. And I don't know if these are cars that were originally in Thailand or if they were imported. I'm not sure if there's a way to tell other than by talking to the owners. Lots of really unique cars, ones that I haven't seen before, really different styles. Must be a ton of fun to drive these. Love the white wheels on the white wagon here. Really nice combo, really stands out. One thing that you definitely appreciate at these car meets is that back area, the shaded area, which is really nice because it does get quite hot even early in the day. So it's a great spot to chat for a bit, then to pop out to the parking lot, talk for a bit, and then head back over there to cool off. It's really cool to see so many people with different interests, different types of cars, different variety of modifications. Some of them are bone stock original cars, some of them heavily modified, swaps, really unique swaps. One thing I really like about the car meets here is that everyone here is really friendly. So if it's your first time going to a car meet in Thailand, I suggest going to check it out. Even if you feel like you're not sure, maybe you're a little nervous about going to a new group, everyone here is very friendly. I think the organizers do a fantastic job picking good venues and just bringing great people together. The nice thing is you can just come here for a little bit, even if you only have an hour. Come stop by, check out the cars, get to know some people. Every time I've gone to these, I'm always glad I did. You get to learn about some cars, meet some people, check out new venues. Really cool to see all the Miatas here. I've noticed them. There's always a solid group, all different generations. If you'd like to find out more about car events in Thailand, then check out the link in the description down below.